Bigger the better. Bigger the fire, the better the fire. That's what they always say. And look at this fire burn. I moved to a different area of the forest. I am now in the national forest. Still in Tallahassee, Florida. They say you bigger and better. And I got some nice sized pieces of wood, and this is mixture of pine and hardwood. And this thing's burning really freaking hot. And the other forest I was living in, well, let's just say they had nothing but pine trees. The National Forest has pine trees, hardwood of all types of other types of wood. It's like they got pine, they got oak. Yeah, they might even have sassafras. I don't know, but they have all kinds of wood. And the harder the wood, the hotter it burns and longer it burns. The wood I put in it now, I just picked up on the trail, because this is a trail that was already here, and this is a big open area, and I'm burning a hot fire. And I'm gonna probably let this thing burn completely out tonight. Tomorrow I've got to dig it deeper. I've dug a little bit of a pit here, but there is still some stuff I've got to clear up here. And I used magnesium shavings to get it going. You can't really tell. I'm not going to get this too close to the fire because the whole fucking thing will go up. And I don't want that. Okay, that's all for now.